I'm here with my best friend, and we're gonna go chase some birds. Yeah, we are. Hell yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, this is fun. Really? Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna go back. For anyone thinks I'm off the road. Off road. Hell yeah. Okay. Look out, we're going, run! Holy crap! They're after us! Oh, they're after us! Oh my god, that was awesome! Bye bye, birdie! Yeah, bye, birds. Holy crap, there's a whole bunch over there. That was awesome!
Why did you do
Videotaping. Yeah, there's some more over there.
At least the geese are not chasing us.
Yeah, true. They're stupid. I'm kidding, they're not stupid. Well, look at those seagulls over there. Look at that guy. That guy's chasing them. You know, they're flying over here.
Let's run. You can, I'll meet you.
We're still chasing birds. I'm trying to get an interview with them. Hey, come back! I'm trying to interview you! I'm trying to interview him. I'm sorry. I'm trying to interview him.
You're trying to what?
Interview them.
Oh.
Hey, birds, come back! I want to interview you. Hi, dude. Okay, bye, Shadow. I'm right here. Oh, sorry. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Bye.